It seems like the weather is crazier now than it's ever been. I'm Sarah with WTI, and I get a lot of comfort with this weather alert radio. This weather radio is so impressive, and it has so many different functions that I don't have time to tell you about all of them, so I was just going to highlight my favorites. We live in a tornado and flood area, and I love that I'm able to program this specifically to my county and the surrounding counties, and I can also program it to specific alerts that are common in my area. I love that it also tells you the severity of the event, whether it's a watch, a warning, or an advisory. So really, I'm only getting the information that I need so that my family and I can prepare accordingly. I think this is perfect for senior citizens. The display face is big and bright, and the alarm is loud, and with the easy-to-read instruction manual, it was very simple to program. The book it comes with helps you to customize it and provides you with the codes that you need. You can also choose to plug this into the wall, or if your electric's out, you have the option to use batteries. It was very nice to work as a radio station and an alarm clock. It has a port where you can attach a weather alert light for the hard of hearing, and you can also attach headphones. I think you're going to love this as much as I do, and that's my point of view.